Hey there, welcome to the Snap Magic channel. Let's snap to the wonders of tech magic. Installing Windows 11 on any system involves several steps. Please note that your system must meet the minimum requirements for Windows 11. Before we dive into today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button below for more awesome content every week. Let us start by searching Rufus, which is used to create a bootable USB drive. Rufus is a utility that helps format and create bootable USB flash drives. Download the portable Windows 64 version and close the browser. From the File Manager, go to the Downloads folder, where the Rufus is present. Double-click on the Rufus. Click Yes on the prompt and continue for further steps. Now, from the drive properties, we need to find the device. Insert a USB drive which will be used to boot, so use a drive which doesn't have any files. Once the device is ready, from the boot selection, select Disk or ISO image, and select Download and click on it. Wait for the running download script. From the prompt, select ISO version Windows 11 and continue. From the release drop-down, select 23H2 build and continue. Now Edition as Windows 11 Home, Pro and EDU and continue. Select Language English and continue. Select Architecture version 64 and click Download. And save it to Downloads folder. Wait until the download is completed. Once the Rufus is ready, click on Start. From the User Experience prompt, we need to customize installation. Check mark the Secure Boot and TPM 2.0. Continue checking the online Microsoft account. Now select a local account with your username and click OK. From the warning, click OK. Click OK on the Multiple Partitions prompt. Now this will create file systems. Once these tasks are completed, restart your system and enter your BIOS. From the boot device, select UEFI, SanDisk Partition 1. From the Windows setup, select Language to install and click Next. Click Install now. Now the setup is starting. Click on I don't have a product key. Now select the operating system you want to install, that is Windows 11 Pro. Click Next. Accept the applicable notices and license terms and click Next. Customize the installation type. Now to select the where to install the Windows. Drive 0 Partition 1 primary type has 0 size. Drive 0 is unallocated space. Now select Drive 0 Partition 2 UEFI system. Check if there is any important files on this partition. If not, delete this partition and click OK. New partition drive will be allocated. Now open Command Prompt using Shift F10. Start with Command Disk Part. List the disks with List Disk. Now select Disk 0 or which disk has space in your system. Once that disk is selected, clean the disk. Now go back to Windows Setup and go back, choose Customized again. Select the new unallocated space and click on New. Click Apply and OK. Select Drive 0 Partition 3 and click Next. Wait for the installation files to be ready.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Select the county or region and click Yes. Select the keyboard layout or in-out method and click Yes. Skip on second keyboard layout. Click on I don't have an internet and continue with limited setup. Accept location, find my device, diagnostic data, inking and typing, advertising ID and complete all the process. Windows 11 introduces a new user interface, with changes to the Start menu, taskbar, and window management. It also comes with various performance improvements, enhanced gaming features, and updated system requirements. Don't miss out on any of our new videos. Click the subscribe button to stay updated.